Where's Mother?
Good night, Tessa. Good night, Mother. The next morning. Where is my mother? Tessa wakes up, but her mother is not there. Tessa flies off to look for her mother. Tessa flies over the park, but her mother is not there. Tessa flies over the beach, but her mother is not there. Tessa flies over the school, but there is no sign of her mother. Tessa flies over the zoo, but she can't see her mother. Tessa flies over the shops, but her mother is not there either. It starts to get dark. Sadly, Tessa flies back to her tree. Tessa's mother is in the tree. Mother! Tessa cries. Where have you been? I've been looking everywhere for you, replies her mother. I went to the park, the beach, the school, the zoo, and the shops, but I couldn't find you. I'm glad you are here, said Tessa. I've missed you. Tessa and her mother lived happily ever after.